Ooh. I don't know. Am I in frame? Yes, I am. Oh, buddy. Ooh, it comes with a little, whatchamacallit. What is this thing? Oh, it's like a nail polish holder. And, you know, obviously the application guide, which we don't need. Look at these colors, dude. Dude. Let me move this table over. I was doing a little crocheting. Let's move all this away. I am cursing up a storm today. Mm-hmm. Do we see this? Yeah, we see this. Yeah, we see this. Oh, let's look at these. These are so cute. Look at the little bottles. Light blue. These are like the perfect size, I feel like, because I get sick of colors. So I like a lot. And, you know, they're small. Ooh, that's brilliant, baby. My favorite. Let's go for some greens. Oh my God. Can we say Halloween, please? Halloween time. Let's see. Oh, this one. This is like a Kelly green. This is beautiful. Don't you think? Don't you think? All right, let's see here. What are these other colors? Ew. All right, not what I was expecting. No, what I was expecting. But okay, all right. Let's go for a little purple. Mm-hmm. That's gorgeous. This is like my boyfriend's favorite color. He likes a dark purple. Let's see. Let's check out this blue. Ooh, wow. Wow. I'm gonna have to try out like a bunch of these because, whoo, what is this, glitter? Let's look at that. Oh, a silver. Okay, I have one of these already though. Hey, what's this one? Okay, chunky, kind of purpley, maybe a little iridescent glitter. I like that. I like that. Is this a gold? Ooh, okay. I think I left my gold like this with my mom in New Jersey, so that's cool. That's cool. All right. You think this is like the brightest color in the pack? Yeah, that's like that hunting orange. Let's see, that's bright as yellow. This color reminds me of my best friend Jen. I think she bought me a bottle that was like this bright, like ages ago. Ages. We had lived near each other once, and she bought me like a bright. I think it even glued. No, glowed in the dark. Good God, I'm glad they gave me a white because I've been running low. And white is such a good, you know. Let's try this orange. Okay. I think it'd be cool if I did something that looked sort of like a heat map with these colors. I think that'd be cool. Top coat. Another top coat. Oh, this first top coat's matte top coat. Cool, cool, cool. I do have a matte top and base already, but you know, it's always good to have more. Because sometimes when you use the chrome polishes, the chrome powders on top of these polishes, you get like a whatchamacallit transfer into your top coat. So the top coat I currently have will be, the one I use for chrome polishes. Super cool. Super cool set.